So, you're Ashe. I heard about you and how you came to help us.
This guy knows a lot about me. Well, I guess that makes it easy. Now we don't have to beat around the bush.
It's nice to have a girl around. We're all set to go. All aboard! You're something else to want to carry on with this mission. By yourself. Why do you want to be a hunter so bad?
I was found by hunters as a little girl, and they raised me. They said that my town was attacked by mavericks, and that I was the only survivor of that attack. So, nobody really knows who the real me is. I don't even know.
Sorry, maybe I shouldn't have asked that.
It's okay. So, I decided to become the greatest hunter in the world. I want my story to go down in the history books. People will remember the name Ashe. So, I can't just let booty like biometal pass me by. She's just like me. She doesn't know where she comes from either. I heard something. Was that someone's voice? Huh? You can hear me? Who said that just now?
Dang, mavericks. They're going for the engine. You wait here.
Prometheus. I had a feeling you'd show up. This is it. The biometal Model A container.
You again. You just don't give up, do you?
Who's that girl?
Never mind her, Pandora. She's nothing. Let's take back the biometal.
I can't let you do that. If you want it, you'll have to yank it from my cold hunter hands.
Just lay there and die quietly, scum.
No way! Not like this! Hey, girl, if you don't want to die, do exactly what I tell you. We should be able to mega merge. I'll lend you my strength. Who are you? I'm Biometal Model A. Now I want you to focus. Okay, yell mega merge as loud as you can. This feeling, this power in my body. What is it? It's the biometal, making me stronger. Mega Man power! Mega Man, Model A.
I can't believe the biometal chose you. I've got to hand it to you. It looks like you've got what it takes to participate in this little game.
Prometheus, isn't that kid...
No matter. So Ash, you can keep the Model A. For now. You've got a few more encounters with other Mega Men ahead of you. You must defeat them in battle. If you somehow manage to survive until the end, then you'll know who you really are. And perhaps all there is to know about the world. So let the game begin, his game of destiny.
Who I really am? Game of Destiny? What's all that about? Oh shoot! I have to help the others. Wait a minute! Shouldn't we be getting out of here? You were acting all big and bad back there, and now you want to run? Come on! I have to go help them! Okay, I'll go! Anything is better than what those guys were going to do to me. I'll help you, if you promise not to leave me. Deal? Of course! You're my foodie! And you'll be going with me.
Model A, you broke rules. You make big mistake. The one you choose, no good. Mega Man, chosen one. A girl? No good you lend power.
Mistake? What are you yapping about? You don't know me. I think this guy is some kind of maverick.
Me not Maverick. Me Pseudoroid. Me Buckfire. You get away from Prometheus and Pandora, but not from I. Buckfire, obey rule. Buckfire will pummel you into ground. future! Our world! Yeah!
Man, that was something else. Could that be the reason why people are after you? The power? Beats me. I'm not even sure why I was created. This train is all out of chug, so let's head back to the camp and figure out another way to get to Legion headquarters. Yeah, now you're getting the right idea. Well, it's that or you'll leave me here, right? I know there's a lot we don't understand. Maybe it's meant to be that way. Anyway, let's try to watch each other's backs. You bet. Now let's get those people taken care of. What? Forget about those hunters and let's get back to camp. I can't believe you'd say something like that. I wonder if you'd go down in history if I carved my name in you. Okay, all right already. For crying out loud. Why did you have to be the only one around I could mega merge with?
So, you're the one who submitted the mission report. I'm connecting your trans server to Legions via a secure channel. So, you're the Biometal's chosen one, a Mega Man.
Why do you get to ask all the questions? Do people at Legion always just do whatever they want?
We heard you were a feisty one. It seems that the rumors were true.
Mikhail, that's quite enough. Like she said. We are the ones being rude here.
We are called the Sage Trinity, and we are the supreme authority of Legion. I'm Master Thomas.
And I'm Master Mikhail. Nice to meet you, Mega Man.
And I am Master Albert. Nice to meet you, Ashe.
Wow, it's kind of scary to know that they knew about me. At Legion headquarters.
Word has it that you are quite a hunter. We'd like you to go on another mission.
We'd like you to bring the biometal here to Legion headquarters. It would seem that Mavericks are after the biometal as well. To reduce the risk of being spotted, it's important to keep the number of women to a minimum. Can we count on you?
It seems the train bound for Legion headquarters was damaged. That card key should allow you access to a new area. There's a crashed Raider airship not far from you. Find it and you should be able to get the parts you need to repair the train.
The biometal holds technology and information that we do not fully understand, like the Mega Mechanism, which allows you to Mega Merge and become a Mega Man.
And not to mention centuries worth of lost history.
That's enough, Mikhail. We have a duty to study the biometal, so its secrets are never misused. Ashe, can we count on you?
Okay, now things are starting to get interesting. You're going to up the bounty, of course.
We'll consider it. First, head to the airship crash site. And be sure to heed the advice of your fellow hunters.